Hi everyone, I'm Noelle. I'm True Botanicals Facial Therapist, and this is Noelle Knows. So today we're going to talk about how to give yourself an at-home facial. So the first step to our at-home facial is making sure that you have clean skin. So I've just washed my face, and now I'm going to apply our Resurfacing Moisture Mask. So this mask has lactic acid. It's going to help eat away at any dead surface cell. It's going to help really brighten the skin. I love it for pigmentation. This is going to keep the skin pretty soft as well. So we have avocado and mango butter in here as well. And that's just gonna make sure we don't overly dry the skin as we're exfoliating. And you can leave this mask on anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. I have more oily skin, so I'm gonna leave it on for the full 5 minutes. And then we'll see you. So I've just taken off our Resurfacing Moisture Mask, and the next step is our Pacific Glacial Clay Detoxifying Mask. This is formulated with Pacific Glacial Clay and charcoal. So now that we don't have any more dead surface cell on the skin, this is gonna really help detoxify those impurities out. We also formulated this one with squalene, so it's going to not overly dry your skin as it's pulling those impurities out, which is really wonderful. We're gonna leave this one on until it fully dries. So that can be anywhere between 10 or 15 minutes. And this is a great mask since it doesn't tighten up on the skin. You can brush your teeth or do anything else you wanna do in between that time. So I will see you after this mask is fully set. So I've just removed the clay mask off my skin, and my skin honestly feels really soft and detoxified, which is really wonderful. So now I'm gonna work on hydrating and moisturizing my skin before I do my last mask. And I'm gonna start with our new Nutrient Mist. So this is a really nice balancing, hydrating tonic for the skin. I like to press mine in a little bit. And for my moisturizer, I'm actually gonna combine 2 steps in one. So I'm gonna use our Renew Repair Serum plus our Renew Pure Radiance Oil. So I'm just gonna do about 1 squirt of the serum with a couple drops of that Pure Radiance Oil. And that way I'm getting all the peptides and really nutritive oil in my skin before I lock it in with our last mask. And you can always just, massage it in a little bit. We just did a lot of really great masking and prep, so this is going to absorb really nicely. And the last and final mask is our Moisture Lock Overnight Mask. So this one is formulated with 2 different weights of hyaluronic acid, and it's just gonna hold in everything that we placed on our skin. And this is just gonna be that really nice protective veil as you sleep to hold and lock in that moisture. Thanks for watching your at-home facial, and I hope you enjoyed it.